Unraveling the charm of knee-high to a duck, a journey into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and colorful expression, knee-high to a duck. This phrase is a gem in the English language, full of charm and imagery, and we're here to unpack its meaning and usage for you. So, let's get started and explore why this idiom is so beloved and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. At first glance, knee-high to a duck might conjure up amusing images of ducks and their relative heights. But what does it actually mean? This phrase is a whimsical way to describe something or someone as very small or young. It's often used to talk about childhood or to refer to a time when someone was much younger. The idiom draws a picture of a child being as tall as the knee of a duck, emphasizing how small or young they must be. The exact origin of knee-high to a duck is a bit of a mystery, but it belongs to a category of similar expressions that compare one's height during early childhood to various animals or objects. It's a folksy, rural expression that has been passed down through generations, painting a vivid picture of rural life and the simplicity of youth. This phrase captures the imagination and brings a touch of nostalgia to those who use it. Using knee-high to a duck in conversation can add a playful and nostalgic element to your storytelling. Here are a few examples to help you get the hang of it. I haven't been here since I was knee-high to a duck. This place sure has changed. My grandfather loves to tell stories from when he was knee-high to a duck. Look at these old photos. We were all knee-high to a duck back then. When you use this expression, it immediately evokes a sense of childhood innocence and the passage of time, making your stories more engaging and relatable. Knee-high to a duck is more than just an idiom. It's a journey back to the simplicity and wonder of childhood. We hope this video has not only explained its meaning and usage but also inspired you to incorporate it into your English conversations. Remember, learning English is an adventure filled with endless expressions and idioms that make the language rich and vibrant. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling.